What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing a quick unboxing and a little bit of an overview on the Surefire Scout Pro Turbo edition here. I picked this one up from Brownells. You can also find this on Optics Planet. If you do go to Brownells to pick one of these up, use code 1STShot10, and that'll save you money and help support the channel here as well. But with that, let's go ahead and get into this and see what all it comes with. Actually, we got to appreciate the packaging here. Surefire packaging, pretty cool. It does have this little map on the back, because one of the things we'll talk about is you can get all these different adapters, switches, lighting options on the back to activate your flashlight. So keep that in mind with this light. All right, got everything out of the package here now. Does come with a bunch of literature here. You can read over this if you want. Basically, you know about the batteries, charging them before using this, because they do come dead here. We also have a little information about the batteries here. And then we also have the manual or instructions here too. Yes, our sticker, we do get a sticker here. You got the Surefire sticker. We'll be putting that on an ammo can here later. And then we do have the actual flashlight here. So out of the box here, it does come with the Picatinny mount or 1913 mount here, which that's the one I'm gonna be using, which is great. You can see it does swivel here. And we'll get back to the flashlight here in a sec. But if you wanted to change the mount, it does come with an M-lock option as well. So you could swap that, put this directly to M-lock. So that'll be good to go. Cord here, we do have a cord to charge the battery up, which we'll go over here in a sec. And then the last thing is the Allen wrench, and this is for swapping out the different mounts, like I said, right here, where you can undo that, swap this to the M-lock one, or you can leave this one on. So this tool will help you with that. So as far as why did I pick up this flashlight here, Surefire, obviously a great name brand in the industry when it comes to a lot of firearm accessories, especially flashlights. The other reason is this is the turbo model, and I definitely recommend the turbo model for flashlights as well as for AR rifle setups like this flashlight here too. Reason being is if it has the turbo name on it, that means that the light or the beam is more focused and will reach out further and will have a brighter centered hot spot rather than having a bunch of flood and just kind of doing a okay job in a large area. This is gonna do a great job in a smaller, further out area. So that's why I wanted to pick this one up. And also again, that's why I chose the turbo model for this one. Taking this thing apart here, we do have a cap on the back here. Click it once, that'll go ahead and turn it on. Click it again, it'll turn it off. You can also do a momentary on like this here. And again, going back to the instructions, you can swap out this tail cap for a lot of other pressure switch options, ones that have cords that you can mount to your rail, or other tail cap accessories too. Same thing goes for the front here. You can actually remove the flashlight head. The flashlight heads can be swapped out, so if you wanted a different kind of lumens or output here, that's what you can do is swap that. And then we do have the battery here. So if I do this, you'll see we do have one battery, and this is a Surefire 18650B. So this is a rechargeable 18650. I believe this can also take two CR123A batteries stacked together, and that's why this is called like a dual fuel option. But if you want, you could just use this and you'll be fine. To charge this battery up, as mentioned, we do have the cord here on the battery. Kind of hard to see. The first time I ever got one of these batteries, I didn't know how to recharge it. But actually on the battery, you can see right here is where it plugs in. Pop it in like that. Go ahead and use your normal plug for USB into the wall. Charge this bad boy up, and then you'll be good to go. Not a lot to it here as far as kind of going over the product here. But again, overall, these aren't cheap. They are a bit pricey, but it's the classic buy once, cry once, and you pay for quality. Especially with the name Surefire, they make quality products here, as seen by this one. So it's one of those things, do you wanna buy a bunch of $100 flashlights and they all do an okay job? Or do you want to buy one that's a little bit more expensive and it does the best job? Next up, I did want to give you a quick comparison of the beams here. So this is our Surefire Scout Turbo that we just unboxed. You can see a very bright hot spot in the center with a uniform flood ring on the outside. Next up, we have a Streamlight Pro Tac Rail Mount 2, and you can see that hot spot is not as bright in the center here, and there's a lot more flood. And lastly here, we have a HRT Tactical AWLS, and this is the mini version, but this one does have a pretty solid hot spot in the center and a pretty good uniform flood. So then I wanted to show you a little comparison of these three lights. So on the right is the Surefire we unboxed here, and on the left is the Streamlight. Again, you can see a big difference between these two. And then comparing, we have again on the right the Surefire, and on the left is the HRT Tactical AWLS. And again, this is a little bit of apples to oranges because this is the mini version of the AWLS, but you can see the difference in the beams, and the mini AWLS does a pretty awesome job keeping up with a full-size Surefire. But overall, that does it for this video here. Like I said, just wanted to do a quick unboxing. If you're looking to pick one of these up and want to know what it comes with, because I know in the picture here, I was concerned that it might not come with the mount or it might not come with the battery or even the other adapter for M-LOK. So this gives you an idea of knowing what it does come with, so that way you are aware of what you're getting when you do want to buy one of these. Again, go check out Brownells or Optics Planet if you want to pick one of these up. Brownells, use code 1STSHOT10. Save you a couple bucks so that way you can go buy some ammo and train with. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. And until next time, have fun shooting and we'll see you soon. Thanks everybody.